3 Home Renovation Secrets you need. One of the best things happening for a homeowner is to see how their house is in good condition. Home refers to how secure, safe, and protected one place is and, later on, will become a comfortable area for people and animals. Keeping your home in the best conditions is not as easy as pie. Yet, there are some damages and difficulties that you may encounter, especially when your area is prone to various calamities. That is why Renovation Loan Canada exists, which is mostly your credibility in acquiring a loan from a trusted lender. Your creditworthiness will be tested and can be sacrificed at the same time, too, if not given proper accurate action toward it. On the other hand, Private Mortgage Canada offer big and generous offers to home buyers who can't buy their own homes. This was made to create better opportunities and legitimate ways to keep one's home constantly funded. Even though Private Mortgage Canada have already given their best shots to help homeowners, there is still no guarantee that your house will last long with its best qualities. Here are some of the best home renovation secrets that you must implement for your home this 2022. 1. Do it smart. With the technology rising in our world today, it simply becomes a missing part of someone's ability if they don't take any part of technology driven to themselves and their homes. There are already a lot of tools and instruments anyone can use to bring constant security to their homes, which people are most worried about every night. In the end, providing intelligent technology not only protects you and your family but also heightens the value of your house through time. That said, you can easily find a buyer willing to buy the home you sell. At first, it may not look like the best option to implement, but it will be worth it as some people put high value and quality towards security or entertainment enhancing a home. This can be one of the best reasons you can consider your best mortgage for renovation worthy in the end. 2. Apply efficiency with energy. Technology brings practical usage, whether for entertainment or protecting your home, but it still consumes a big part of your electricity. This puts you into valuing your home and the amount of energy you consume, which you also spend your money with. Installing one of the energy-efficient upgrades to your home may be more expensive than ever. In contrast, it automatically brings value to your home, which is somehow involved with Renovation Loan Canada. With this loan, you can practically have your home with double-paned windows, LED lighting, solar panels on your roof, and other significant renovations that help you lower energy consumption. Finding out the best upgrades you can do with your home is a must. Try to plan and think about investing in the best answers to help you achieve the efficiency you want to apply in your daily life. 3. Embrace the low maintenance. One of the biggest dilemmas homeowners mostly experience is that they tend to be available, whether in flashy infrastructure or decorations found in a house. However, these things don't last long as they negatively decrease their value, especially if not given importance. As a homeowner, one of the things you can do is have alternative options, mostly in favor of easier access, whether for installing or cleaning it. Some of the decorations available now can be used for most grand events as they sufficiently upgrade the impression level of various people. It may look simple, but in the end, there is no doubt that you can double your purchase toward these and make another hit purchase to make it your best mortgage for renovation. Home renovation may look silly whenever you encounter problems in your house. Yet, your personality and beliefs reflect your home and reveal how much you give value, importance, and care to your goal and purchase a home. Keeping it all real for yourself and your home will definitely reap a good harvest for today and in the future, as it can prolong the best investment you made.